little bird. Once upon a time there was a little bird who lived in a tree. He was very small and had only just learned to fly. One day the little bird decided to fly away from his nest and explore the world. The little bird flew over the forest and saw many new things like tall trees, green grass, and other animals. He was having a lot of fun, but he was also getting tired. The little bird started to fly back to his nest, but he couldn't find his way. He wandered around for a while, but he couldn't find his way home. The little bird was starting to get scared. He didn't know what to do. He sat down on a branch and started to cry. Suddenly, the little bird heard a voice. "What's wrong?" the voice asked. The little bird looked up and saw a wise old owl sitting in a tree. "I'm lost," the little bird said. "I can't find my way back to my nest." "Don't worry," the owl said. "I can help you." The owl flew down from the tree and landed next to the little bird. "Follow me," the owl said. The owl led the bird through the forest. They flew for a long time until they finally came to the tree where the little bird lived. "Thank you for helping me," the little bird said to the owl. "You're welcome," the owl said. "Just be more careful next time you go exploring." The little bird waved goodbye to the owl and flew back to his nest. He was so happy to be home. Moral of the story: it's important to be careful when exploring new places, but it's also okay to ask for help when you need it.